Hey guys, I am coming on here. I told you I'm going to come on here at 4 o'clock to teach you some great tips and tricks of how to save money. And so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to teach you something called power cooking. So it's actually something that you're going to be doing ahead of time to prep for the week. And this you could do maybe on a Sunday or any day that you're ready to make dinner. Do it and do some extra. So that way you have maybe chicken, beef, anything that you're cooking, you can make it in bulk, so that way you could use it again for another couple meals. So I'm going to be using chicken today, so I have it thawed, and I need to grab it real quick. And I forgot to grab it ahead of time. And what I have is I have just chicken breasts. And so you know how Costco, Sam's, they have like these huge chicken breasts, right? So what that does is you buy these, and when you have a serving, what happens is this is actually probably 2 servings in one breast. And we sometimes tend to overeat because we're eating just a chicken breast when we're actually eating more than we should. So when you have it this big, what you wanna do is you wanna cut it down, right? So that's gonna not only save you money because you're making it go further, but you're actually saving time because the thinner it is, the quicker it cooks, and that's gonna help you actually save time also. So what I'm gonna show you is some of my favorite tools to help you prep. And this is one of them. This is our close and cut. Do you guys have this? If you have it, let me know in the comments. But this is something that you're gonna be using not only for chicken, but you can use it for bagels, you could use it for grapes, you could use it for cherry tomatoes, whatever you have that you need to cut in half. This is gonna do it because it's got spring-loaded hinges. So when you have your food in there, it cuts it perfectly in half. It comes with a knife, but I'm gonna be using my favorite. This is a chef's knife, Pampered Chef chef's knife. And this has actually got the full tang. So what that is this is one piece. And when you have your knife that way, you're never gonna get loose, loose blades, always gonna be nice and secure and sturdy. And so this is our chef's knife, lifetime warranty. You need to have a good workhorse in the kitchen, and this is one of them. So I'm gonna show you what you're gonna do. You're gonna take your chicken breast, big guy here, put it in there, and you're just gonna close it. And so when you close it, put your knife on the edge, and you're just gonna cut. And when you use that, what it does is you see here, it cuts it perfectly in half. Ah, ta-da! So that right there saves you money because it's going further. So that's one of the things. So we're gonna actually do 3 pounds today because that's 3 meals. So we're gonna cook them all at the same time. So we're only gonna make a mess once, which is really nice, especially if you don't like to cook very much. So this is something that you're gonna make sure that you're gonna just have to clean up one time. We're gonna be using one of the power cooking tools, our Deluxe Multi Cooker. I'm gonna bring this over in a second so I can talk to you more about that. But that's the other thing that's gonna save you a lot of time, because it cooks everything about 70% faster than if you were to cook it in the oven or something like that. So what I'm gonna do is finish cutting these guys. Wait, what is this not cutting? Okay, cut this one in half, and then we're done. So that now is all done. This goes in the dishwasher. No need to try to scrub any corners. It has no extra pieces, so everything cleans perfectly. So that's gonna go right in the dishwasher when I'm done. I have this is our flexible cutting mat. This is nice because you could take it, dump things where you want to go, and you have another board underneath, clean, ready to use again for something else. So that is nice that you have that you can move with you. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to, can you take these bowls up for me? I have a helper today. Thank you, Christy. So we're going to use the big one, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to flavor this up before I stick it in there. So I got all our chicken breasts right in there. And then you're going to go ahead and, I'm gonna wash my hands, but can you open up that garlic parmesan? I'm gonna use one of our sauces, our oils. This one is so good. My friend Heidi, she just called me and she says, I need some more of those because it's that good. So we're gonna go ahead and we're going to, where I put the, thank you. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys what this is. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is our garlic parmesan. See that? You see all the parmesan and garlic is inside there? Floating around. So this is ready to go. So good if you just want to put it over bread with, you could do that with dipping. And we used to go to, I think it was called Macaroni Grill, and you would get roasted garlic with Parmesan and balsamic, and oh my God, it was so good. That's what this reminds me of. So we're gonna put a little bit of that on here, just to have some good oil on there. Salt and pepper, using our salt and pepper grinder. Love these. And we did, my daughter Julia gave this as a gift to her friend Shay, and she put Mr. and Mrs. on here, and that was her gift she gave. How cute, right? So that's a great gift idea you can do. So we're gonna go ahead and just salt and pepper these, because that's a basic recipe that you can do and use it for anything. So after these are cooked, you can still add barbecue sauce to one. You could add, Greek. You could add, anything that you want to do for like a Mexican style. So like doing enchiladas or something like that. So you have your seasonings there. one of our tongs. We have 3. So this is the one that they just came out with, and it's nice because it's done by gravity. So when you push it down, it opens. When you go up, it actually closes. So when it's in the drawer, it doesn't pop open and stop you from opening it. This actually is ready to go. So upside down, it opens. We're gonna just go ahead and coat this. So these are ready to go, you see? And I'm using this is our glass bowl set. So we've got our mixing bowl set, and it comes in 3 sizes. This is the large one, the medium, and the small. And they all nest. So having these bowls really do make it easier for you, because if you're doing like cookies, you have one big one that you're gonna add all the flour to, the butter in the other one, and you dump. And so having all the bowls match makes me happy, but it also makes it nice so that you have the right tools for what you need. Okay, all these are mixed, ready to go. So now I'm gonna talk to you about the Deluxe Multi Cooker I was telling you about. So ready? Ta-da! So this is it. This is our Deluxe Multi Cooker, because this has 16 settings. So you can, I'm just gonna read some of them to you. You can, of course, you can sear it. So you can, if you're gonna do a roast, or you're gonna do, something pork, sear, you could do meatballs, whatever you wanna do. You can put those in, and this actually will cook as a burner. So that's one of the things that makes it nice. So if you need an extra space, this can actually be another surface for you to cook on. All right, so we've got eggs. So we have little silicone racks, so you can make those egg bites. I've seen those at Starbucks, places like that. You can make those in here. Save you a lot of money and a lot of time, and so you can have those prepped ahead. But you can do hard-boiled eggs, soft-boiled eggs, whatever. You also have poultry, so chicken. We have beef, pork. You have seafood, white rice, whole grains, soup. You can make soup in here. Beans, and you do not have to soak them. Just throw them in there and ready to go with the flavors. Desserts, like cheesecakes, things like that. You can steam, so steam your vegetables, steam your fish, whatever you want to do. Slow cook, lasts all day. Sous vide. Have you guys heard of sous vide cooking? Let me know if you've made sous vide before. I'll tell you what that is in a second. You can make yogurt. Did you know that? Yogurt. And then you can also sterilize. So bottles and brushes and all the things that you want to do, you can sterilize in here. So all those things you can do in this one vessel. So what I'm going to do is we're actually going to do poultry. We're going to do chicken. It comes with the one bowl. And then inside here, it has your capacity. So the max capacity is 2/3. So up to here, because you're going to have that steam in here, which is the pressure for cooking this. So I'm going to go ahead and put all the chicken in here, right? All the chicken goes in at one time. If you don't have, if maybe say you forgot to take chicken out and thaw it, it's okay. You can actually put frozen chicken in here. I know, throw your frozen chicken in here, throw all the veggies with it, whatever you want to do. You can throw in maybe frozen chicken, a jar of salsa, lid on, do it for pork, maybe pork loin, throw salsa verde in there, and then that way you put it on, cook it, shred it up with the salad choppers, and dinner would be done. And it can go from frozen. I think that's the coolest thing. So we've got that in here, but you need to have at least 1 cup of liquid. So I'm going to be using our adjustable measuring cups. So these are easy read measuring cups, sorry. You have the 4 cup, the 2 cup, the 1 cup. And this one's separate, but it's the cutest thing ever. It's a little baby cup. I love it. It's a 4th cup, so it's so fun. But we're gonna do the 1 cup. And so all you're gonna do is you're going to take and you're going to pour right in. And the nice thing about this is that there's no more needing to do squats to make sure you get it filled up to the right spot. You just read from the inside up, so you get perfect measurement every time. And never have to go back and forth and pour it in and out. So that is it. So that's 1 cup of broth going in. And you're done. So now you have this ready to go. It's gonna come to pressure and then 12 minutes cooking time. That's it. So you got the one thing of mess that you're gonna do, and then you've got the rest of the week that you can put these in. When it comes out, take out the portion you're gonna use for tonight's dinner. Then the other 2 portions, you're gonna put either in the fridge for later in the week or the freezer, so you can have it another week or so, whatever you need. But multi-cook, called power cooking, to do all of it at one time. These are our new bags, and I love these silicone bags. They seal airtight, so that's why you can put these in the freezer. You can use these for sous vide cooking, like I was telling you about, which is cooking with the water. So that is actually something that's going to cook everything you put in there, meats and fish, steaks, whatever you're putting in there. It cooks them perfect. They're so juicy and so tender. It does take longer to cook them because it takes that temperature and it's cooking it at low temperature for a long period of time to push that moisture and keep that in there. Because when you cook it at higher temperatures, the moisture leaks out and you've got all this extra broth everywhere. So it keeps it all inside to keep it really juicy. So those steaks, a lot of times you go to high-end restaurants and they're sous vide cooking. So that way they got it prepared ahead of time because you can't overcook it. You could even leave it in there longer and it won't hurt it. And then what they do is they take it out, sear it to get those grill marks, and then they serve it. So it's sous vide cooking to make those steaks that you get at restaurants so good. It's because they've done that. And you could do that right at home. So exciting. But you're gonna put them in here, put your extras in here. They've got 3 sizes, the large, the medium, and the small. So great snack guides if you have kids. You can actually just put the snacks in here, throw them in your bag and ready to go. Take them, throw them for the kids to use for their snacks, you know, at school or wherever. This one is the one I'm gonna do for the leftovers. I've got 2 of these guys. So that's what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna show you how to turn this on if you can see okay. You're going to turn the dial to whatever you wanna cook. So we're gonna do poultry. And add poultry, you push it in, and then you get to decide how many minutes once it comes to pressure. And so when you do that, then all you do is hit it twice, and now you're gonna watch it. I don't know if you can see it, but this thing right here, it is blinking. And so it is going and going and going, and it's going to build that pressure inside. So the steam's gonna build to make sure that it cooks inside, then 70% quicker cooking time than if you had it on the stovetop or in the oven. So exciting. So this is one of those things that if you are interested in this one this month with at least 200 in sales, you can get